travelers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Lisbon, Portugal, and I am going to give you a tour and review of our Airbnb that we stayed at in Lisbon, and I'll make sure to put the link down below if you're interested in staying there yourself. So first off, let's go ahead and go on with the tour. So after going up a bunch of stairs, you're gonna walk into the Airbnb, into the common area. The common area has a couch, a little chair, a little like stool place where you can sit down, TV, and this is the room that has the air conditioning in it. And then we also have our kitchen. Our kitchen is like fully stocked, refrigerator, washer, pretty much anything you can think of, it's in there, and it's a pretty open space. That was the one thing that I loved about this Airbnb, is that it was just all so open. And then we have the best part of this Airbnb. There is a balcony, and the balcony has like a little set of chairs and table overlooking a stunning view of Lisbon. It was so beautiful. We loved sitting out there. We loved just like watching the view at night, and in the morning it was definitely a highlight of the trip. So great place to sit and relax. And then if we go back into the actual Airbnb, we can go down the hallway to the 2 bedrooms and bathroom. So we have this first bedroom, which is like a queen-sized bedroom, and it has lots of racks where you can hang clothes and things like that. And my favorite part is that the window opened so you could listen to, you know, the street life and let a little bit of cool breeze in. So that was wonderful. So that was the first bedroom, and it also did have a full-length mirror, which you guys know I love. And then we're gonna go into the second bedroom. So the second bedroom has 2 twin-size beds. It's pretty cute, a little small, but was perfect for all 3 of us girls. And then we shared a bathroom, and this bathroom was pretty basic. It had a shower, a sink, a toilet, everything that you needed in there. And the window did open as well to let the steam out, which was really nice. So that's a brief overview of what the whole Airbnb looked like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the pros and cons and just a little like review of our stay. So I always like to get like the bad stuff out of the way first, so let's go ahead and get on into the cons. So my first con isn't necessarily a con, but just more so to be aware of, and it could be a con depending on what type of person you are and what type of vacation you want to have, what kind of travels you want to have. So first off, this was on the very top floor of this building, and this building did not have an elevator, so unfortunately it was not handicap accessible. The stairs were like very there was a ton of stairs. There were a ton of stairs to get to the Airbnb. I think we counted like somewhere between 60 to 80 stairs. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it was a lot of stairs, and having a huge suitcase was not the move for this place. So if you're gonna book it, definitely try to pack light, and also be aware that there is not an elevator. We are 3 young, healthy individuals, so you know, we made the trek every time and it was fine, but it was something that we often did not look forward to at the end of the night, but it was absolutely fine and we survived to tell the tale. But I did just want to let you guys know, in case that is something that is like a point of contingency for you, if maybe you have any type of knee or health problems that will not allow you to not have an elevator, it's something to be aware of. And then the second con that I want to talk about was in the bathroom. This was just something like a little nitpicky that us girls constantly said in there, but we just wish there was more like hanging space and more space to put something. There wasn't much space to like store our stuff, to keep our things, so we pretty much had to like keep the bathroom clean the whole time, because it was just, there just wasn't room in there. So just like a little nitpicky thing, really not that big of a deal, but something to be aware of. So those are the only 2 cons I had. So let's go ahead into the pros about this place. So first off, I wanted to talk about the location that it's in. So it's kind of a little bit north of the Bairro Alto area. It's close to Rato, and we loved this area. So granted, it's not exactly in like the main area of Lisbon. It was never more than 20 minutes walk to any like major site, and something that we were really looking for was a place that was a little bit more quiet and residential. And we noticed that there were a lot of Airbnbs that had reviews that said like, you know, this is lovely, but it was really loud, the nightlife was really loud, and this was something that we did not experience at all here. We read the reviews and all the reviews were like, it's quiet, blah blah blah. We aren't like super big like going out people, so we really wanted to have a place where we could get some pretty good solid sleep at night, and that was definitely the case here. It was very quiet, it was very residential, and it was on a great street that wasn't far from anything at all, so we really loved the location. It was also obviously like perfect space for us three, and I think that it is perfect for about 3 to 4 people max. It had a full kitchen, it had that beautiful balcony, like it was just the perfect space for us three, and we really enjoyed it. So the space was perfect for us. Obviously the biggest pro is that beautiful balcony out there. We absolutely loved it. You know, we ate snacks out there, hung out there, took pictures, etc. It was just so beautiful and definitely a highlight of the stay there. We absolutely loved it. But other than all of those awesome pros, this place was just really awesome to stay at. We felt like we had no issues. We enjoyed our space there. We felt like it was very roomy. We felt like everything that we needed was there, and it's also right down the street from a grocery store, which was really great. We would pop in there and grab a couple things and then go back for the night, which was really awesome. So that was definitely a highlight as well. But it was absolutely lovely stay, and we really enjoyed it, so we really do highly recommend it. So there you go, folks. That's what our Airbnb looked like in Lisbon. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour and rating of this space. I do highly suggest it, and again, I will put the link down below if you guys are interested in staying here yourself. I think you guys will like it if you do, and let me know if you guys have any other recommendations on where to stay in Lisbon. I'd love to hear, whether that be Airbnbs or hotels, because I definitely know I'm gonna go back eventually. I have to bring my husband, he will love it. But regardless, I'm really glad that you stuck around and watched this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me as a video maker get my videos out there to people that haven't seen them before, so I really appreciate the support. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay a while, and let's travel together and learn awesome things. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye and happy travels!